Welcome to the land of the rising sun. A country that blends neon-soaked cities with centuries-old traditions, where high-speed bullet trains rush past ancient temples, and where the simple act of entering the country, yes, we're talking about your Japan visa, could open doors to unforgettable experiences you didn't even know existed. But here's the twist. Navigating the visa system isn't just a formality. It's your golden ticket. And for some travelers, recent changes might mean that dream trip to Japan is a lot closer than you think. Let's rewind. The year is 2025. Post-pandemic tourism is booming. Japan is back, and hotter than ever. Tourists are flooding in for cherry blossom season, Tokyo Game Show, and even international baseball matchups like Dodgers-Japan, where MLB legends are meeting samurai-style athleticism in sold-out stadiums. But here's the problem. Japan's visa policy is notoriously strict for some travelers and delightfully simple for others. And the rules are changing fast. Whether you're a digital nomad, a tourist on a 2-week vacation, or someone chasing Pokemon in Shibuya, the visa you hold decides everything. From how long you can stay to whether you're allowed to work or even shoot content. But here's the big news. Japan has recently relaxed its visa policy for travelers from several countries, including new digital visa waivers and extended e-visa programs. In some cases, you can now apply entirely online. No embassy visits, no mountains of paperwork. E-visa now open for select countries, new multi-entry visa programs for frequent travelers, faster processing for tourists attending events like sports games or conventions. For fans heading to events like Dodgers Japan, this is a game changer. Still, not everyone gets the VIP treatment. Nationals from countries without visa-free access must navigate a detailed system. From providing proof of financial stability to a confirmed itinerary, it's not just about travel, it's about trust. But don't worry. At the end of this video, we'll link a full step-by-step visa guide just for you. Alright, now that you're visa ready, let's get to the part that's got YouTube going wild lately. The Japan haul. Cue overhead camera, neatly arranged rare snacks, anime merch, gachapon capsules, and wait, is that an exclusive Bandai Namco Gundam figure only available in Tokyo? From Harajuku fashion to Kyoto teas, and Akihabara tech to Osaka street food, the haul opportunities are endless. But the real treasures, you'll find them hidden. Pro tip. Head to secondhand stores like Book Off and Mandarake. That's where collectors score vintage Bandai Namco gear at a fraction of the price. Speaking of Bandai Namco Japan, did you know their headquarters offers limited edition merch that isn't even sold online? Yup. Step into their real-world arcade labs, game development studios, and character museums, and you'll see why fans line up around the block. And those lucky enough to grab a tour often walk out with items you won't find on eBay. Now this is next level. Imagine the roar of the crowd, samurai drums beating, the smell of takoyaki in the stands, and then, bam! Mookie Betts hits a home run over the Tokyo Dome fence. The Dodgers Japan series isn't just a sports event, it's a cultural explosion. American baseball icons facing off against Japan's elite players in games that feel more like festivals than matches. For international fans, attending one of these games requires planning. That means applying for event-based tourist visas. Booking early. Games sell out months in advance. Knowing what's allowed inside stadiums, some halls, like noisemakers and fan signs, are part of the experience. So let's connect the dots. You secure your Japan visa, fast, smart, and maybe even paperless. You land, passport stamped, ready to explore. You grab your camera, head to the streets, and your Japan haul begins. Bandai Namco figures, street snacks, vintage manga, exclusive apparel. Then, under stadium lights, you cheer on the Dodgers Japan, where East meets West in a showdown that feels straight out of an anime climax. That's not just a trip. That's a transformation. Like, subscribe and turn on notifications because your Japan journey is just getting started. And trust us, you don't want to miss what's coming next.